Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today's video is going to be all about my current favorite beauty products, skincare products, and a couple of other random things that are just like what, but yeah, this is a favorites video. I don't normally do favorites, you know, like every month, just because like I don't try out enough products to be doing monthly favorites. But since it's almost summer, I figured I'd share a few of my favorite products with you guys. So if you want to find out what those products are, just stay tuned. But of course, before all of that goes down, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. We're gonna do beauty stuff because I have that in front of me right now. So let's just jump right into that. So first product that I'm going to talk about, this is in no particular order by the way, is going to be these Lily lashes that I got from Sephora. This is in Style Miami. They're not in the box because they're on my eyes right now. This is the Style Miami, I think I said that already. These are some mink lashes. These are my first pair ever, and I've been absolutely in love with them ever since I got them. Whenever I wear them, I get so many compliments, and I don't even wear lashes out like that really, but ever since I got these, I've been wearing these lashes out because they're just so perfect and I absolutely love them. Next, I'm going to be talking about the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. In particular, I'm obsessed with this yellow shade in here. To me, it's like the most perfect transition shade for some reason for me right now because it's summer and I'm doing a lot more warm tone looks, such as this one. You could tell I used it here as a transition shade. You could see it a little bit, which is what I like. It goes perfect underneath any other, you know, shades that you put on top of it. So I've been loving that a lot lately. I've also been loving the Soft Glam palette, what I used to do my eyes. I have a full tutorial on this by the way, so don't worry. I use the Soft Glam palette and I've been loving this palette. I just think like, yeah, this palette is super basic, but it's like the best, most basic palette ever, and I think if you don't have it, you should get it. Also, Macy's is about to have a 50% off sale on ABH stuff, so grab it while it's hot, girls. I just think this palette is so great. The colors in here are beautiful. I'm obsessed with Mulberry. I think it's like the most perfect shade ever for my crease. It's beautiful. These shimmers, everything about this palette is like grade A. I love this. I think it was a great palette, just saying. Keeping in with the theme of palettes, next palette I'm going to talk about is this Juvia's Place Saharan Blush palette. I've literally been dying for this palette. I love these blushes in here, especially this one here called Taupe, or Tau, sorry. I love this shade so much. I'm wearing it on my cheeks. And also this shade B down here is great. And then this shade Zoba down here, it's a really nice shifty highlighter shade. I like it a lot. I think it's really great, especially for the inner corners and brow bone. Super cute and definitely adds a pop to every single look. And finally, the last palette that I have is going to be the KKW Contour palette. This is the powder one. I really have been enjoying this. I've definitely been using it a lot. These pan sizes are huge, and I foresee myself like taking at least a year to go through with this, just because obviously I use other contour things, but I think that this is gonna last me a long time. And I also really like the highlighter shades in here, which makes me kind of want to buy the highlighter palette she's coming out with, just because I like the formula of those two. I hope it's the same. But yeah, and also it has a huge mirror in here, which is amazing for when I do my makeup. Always using that mirror. For bronzer, since we just talked about, you know, contours, I've really been enjoying my Becca Maui Nights bronzer. I've also been enjoying my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. I don't have that in front of me, so I can't show you. I just have this one. I absolutely love it. It just adds the right amount of warmth to my face, not too shimmery, because I don't like shimmery bronzers. This is perfection in a little case. Next, for lip products, I have really been liking this lip gloss from the Patrick Star and MAC collection. This is Mama Star Kiss. I have it right now on my lips with like another lipstick and liner, but this gloss, I've just been wearing it all the time. Like, I even wear it alone, and I really like it. Even though initially I thought this was gonna be too light for me, I really like it. Another lip product I've been enjoying is my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I always have this with me, and mine is actually almost done, and I definitely need to go buy a few more, but this has just been a favorite of mine for so long. I wanted to include it in here for, you know, shits and giggles. For highlighters, honestly, Moscow Mule Ginger Binge by Fenty Beauty is like my favorite highlighter. I wear this highlighter all the time. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit pan soon. Let me show you guys, especially on this side. I'm definitely gonna hit pan soon. I love it. It just goes so well with my skin tone. This is definitely chocolate girl friendly. If you're chocolate, you don't have this, you're playing games. You need this in your life. Absolutely, hands down, best highlighter ever. I just love the formula of these so much. It's just like, I'm gonna go crazy. Up next for primer, I definitely have really been enjoying my Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. No matter what primer I buy, I always end up going back to this at some point. This is just so great, and my bottle's almost done actually. So pretty soon, I'm pretty sure by like July, I'm gonna need a new one. I've been trying to use others just so I don't use this as much because I love it that much. So I'm gonna have to get a new one very soon. Again, this is just so random. I've really been enjoying my Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I think that this powder is so nicely milled that it's just perfect. It melts into my skin, doesn't give me like flashback, any of that nonsense. This is great. As well as the KKW setting powder. Amazing! Like, people played on this. I'm sorry. People really gave this like some terrible reviews, but I love this. As well as the concealer from KKW. Look at my under eyes. Tell me you don't see the truth. This is bomb.com. I use shade number 12. And last thing that I wanted to mention is this Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I use the shade N100, which is like my perfect shade ever. I absolutely love this foundation. I think it's so beautiful on the skin. It's so matte. If you're oily, you're looking for a summer foundation, girl, please hit this with the quickness. And for a drugstore version, I would definitely say that the Maybelline Full Coverage Super Stay Foundation is amazing. I have a review on that foundation. If you want to check it out, I'll link it up above somewhere. Let's keep this going. Another product I've really been obsessed with is my Urban Decay Vitamin B6 spray. I love using this to prep my skin before makeup. I just feel like it just does something, you know, like it does something for me. So I use this all the time. It's almost done. So another product that I have to rebuy. There are a few products here that I have already repurchased, and we're about to get into those. Those are more skincare. I repurchase skincare a lot faster than I repurchase like makeup, because it's like, if it works for my skin, yeah, I'm gonna buy it again. Hello, duh. So for skincare, oh no, one more product. I have absolutely been dying and falling in love with the Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner that I got in my BoxyCharm just like a few weeks ago. Honestly, I take this everywhere with me. Like, wherever I'm traveling to, this is my go-to gel liner. If I want to do an eyeliner, this is my eyeliner. Sometimes I don't even want to do a wing, and I'm using this and I end up doing a wing because it creates the most perfect wing ever. Love this product so freaking much. Come on now, this is just too good. So moving on to skincare, I have been trying a lot of drugstore skincare lately, just because I kind of wanted to see, you know, what the drugstore had to offer. And I've been using this Garnier Skin Active Balancing 3-in-1 Moisturizer made with green tea. I really like this a lot. I have been using it day and night, and I think that my skin has been really nicely moisturized. It keeps it very nice and soft and plump, which I think is great. And I think I only bought this for like $8 or something from Target. So this is great. Don't sleep on this product. Another product, sorry, I gotta grab them. Another product that I got from, like, I guess Ulta. I don't know if that counts as drugstore. This is the Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. This bottle is done, and girl, I gotta back up. I just bought this because this is almost done. I love this so much. This has really been helping with a bit of the darkness that I had on my face and like just uneven skin tone. I think that this is really, really great. And the best part is that this is only $20. All other vitamin C serums, I swear to God, are like $45 and above, or even up to like $90, $100. So this is like a bargain for $20. It works amazingly. And when I went to Ulta, they were having a buy one 40% off on this brand. So I also got the Vitamin C Intense Night Cream. We'll update you guys on how this one goes, but I kind of just wanted to intensify it, especially for my neck area. I really want my neck to be even with my face, so I've been using a lot of vitamin C products to help that out. A toner that I've really been enjoying is the Pixie Glow Tonic. This is a toner that I go back and forth with. Like, sometimes I'm in love with it, and then sometimes I'm like, I don't think it's doing anything for me. So I think it's one of those that I have to just use and then stop using and then use again for me to really see the results that I like. But right now, I love it. I think it's great. Next, I have two sprays, like two facial sprays. This is going to be the Mario Badescu skincare spray, like the lavender one. I love this. I use this on my face at night a lot just because I feel like lavender makes you go to sleep, and so I'm going to bed, you know, like, so I spray this on to go to bed, if that makes sense. Duh. You know, and then this one I'll spray in the morning because it's a soothing mist, and this is the Garnier Skin Active made with rose water. I've really been loving the Garnier products lately, and I don't know what I've been doing. I've been sleeping on them, but this is just really nice. I feel like after I apply my toner and I just like spray my face and just like soothe everything, and I feel like I'm in heaven. I really like this a lot. One last thing. To take off my makeup, I'm obsessed with the Clinique Cleansing Balm. So much so that I finished this first one, as you could tell, and I immediately went and bought another one. Macy's is having a sale on these as well this upcoming weekend, I think. So I'm gonna go buy another one just because it's gonna be 50% off and I need it. Because when this runs out, I'm gonna cry. I absolutely love taking my makeup off with this product. It just melts everything. Like, I have no cake. Like, it just does something to your makeup and makes it all just melt away. And this is definitely worth the hype and the money. Final two products I'm going to be talking about are like not really beauty related, I guess. These are just some products I've been using because I got two new piercings. You can see, like, I got this one in my ear, and then I got like one more up here in my cartilage. And to clean them out, I've been using the Saline Wound Wash. This is the Walgreens brand one, but I always use this when I get piercings. I have quite a few piercings, like, you know, I have like 3 up here, and I always use this with them instead of like the H2O spray that they always recommend you buy at the like tattoo shops and stuff. Like, first of all, that thing is kind of expensive, and this is like a great alternative and a bigger bottle. I'm pretty sure for like a little bit less than the price of the other thing, and I think that this works great, and the spray on this is way more powerful. So I think it gets in there a lot better. And then if you're like me and your piercings always have a little bump at the beginning, I use a little bit of tea tree oil. This is the essential oil from Nature's Truth. And I just, you know, take like a cotton swab and I put a little bit on it, and it really does help with, you know, smoothing out that little bump and not causing like a huge keloid or something. I've had to do this with like every single one of my piercings, and I have like 7. And a piercer told me about it when I was having issues with my tragus. And she told me about it, and honestly within a week it really just like sucked it dry, and it was beautiful and flat the way I wanted it to be. So I, you know, still use that. So I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, those are really all of my current favorite products right now. I know that I rambled a lot, but that just happens when I get really excited about makeup and stuff. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Please let me know if you guys have tried any of these products or anything that you've been really obsessed with that you think that I should try. I would love to hear your opinions. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.